on the platform for this one. Oh yeah, if people step over the side of the platform, you'll metal Alex. That's fine. The little tube with the scales holding by the handles like so. And I will point out to you that this tube contains 5 green, all 4 are red, 1 is blue. We want you to get the blue one in the center. So it's red, red, blue. Red, red, continue to right, holding on the balloon, jiggling up and down, praying along. Right? Okay, go.
Very kind.
This, you guys see him staring at this mirror.
Incredibly cruel. I can't believe you're part of this. Body, mind, and soul. 50 years. We're all so young. There was hope. Such faith in our cause. Endless strength to fight the good fight.
I know, I was there.
Until 43, May 4th. I disappeared your ship and you never came back. There were stories. You'd gone forward in time. 24 hours later, it didn't matter.
Go on.
5th of May, the Phoenix flew. Dropped her bombs on Washington, D.C. 15 million people gone. Took me 20 years to figure it out. Why the Phoenix never flew again. Where it came from and what happened then. Then one of our operatives fell. My God, it's a stealth.
Oh, you know that movie that you didn't watch? That Keanu Reeves said that Talk America or whatever, it looked like a radio show from the 40s.
Mm-hmm. It looks so weird. Filmed where?
It was filmed in Wilmington.
Oh, really?
I caught the ending of it. It said filmed on location, Wilmington, and a few other cities.
That's so funny.
That's supposed to be Louisiana.
HBO Pictures presents The Good,
Was that an interesting movie?
The first one? I like the first one was good.
No, this one right here.
They had two. There was a need to make a second one, that's for sure.
Is the first one similar in
What's that?
premise?
The first one was a good premise. It's sort of like a Quantum Leap episode.
I never knew that. I gotta see that.
And it had Michael Paré, Mr. Heartthrob.
HBO original movie,
Have who?
Michael Paré.
You like
Oh.
sliders?
Night Out.
I haven't been able to watch it regular, but I heard it's really good. I've seen a couple episodes.
They're not making it anymore. I like that show. I mean,
This movie here was filmed in Wilmington.
How come he's so adorable? How come my baby's so adorable?
Premiere Saturday, July 29th, only on HBO.
She seems so sweet, so impossibly well.
We can't protect.
The client, because more time has planned out to kill the network. child. Symptoms surrender.
Yum, 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 yum.
Gerald, you
Granddaddy.
The Amazon sportswoman is sure as that shot to that criminal big game you've always dreamt of. Why don't you do it? Get Hollywood Wonder Woman, part of Triple A TV, every day at 4, only on FX.
breakfast time on FX. It's essential to begin the day with you.
Get one! At FX, the day starts with neat stuff like health and exercise tips.
Get out of bed.
A professional studio set.
ESPN now is a aerobic show that has this group of people on there. It's more like a dance show.
Composed host. Yeah, why?
In
So he used
sports.
to, what?
In sports, right?
Yeah, it's like, and all you hear them go, "Hoo, ho, hi," you know, it's like his, and his music and it's the guy and the girl. It's so annoying. He said such a nice aerobics thing,
Central on FX.
and now it looks like some type of fashion dance show.
FX presents a television event of epic proportions. Welcome to Fantasy Island. A saga of guest stars making their fantasies come true.
I don't even think Miriam says she, honestly, maybe she's right.
Set against exotic locations.
I'm ready.
Multiple storylines.
You have spit rag, you have diaper, you have diaper cream,
Diaper
All
wipes.
controlled by a mysterious man of destiny.
you have a bubble.
Only thing I might not possibly
Inspired by
have.
fate.
She's Bobby at the airport. It's very cute.
I think she looks gross. That was his look. My half Say hi, Phoebe. Hi, Phoebe.
Hi, Alyssa. Live for Myrna. 326. This is 326. Need a ride
He is advertising for Myrna.
for
If you get a decent phone call, you let me know.
Myrna.
And you owe me.
3. Do you really?
10 years now, way past 3 months, 3 week mark. Another prediction from someone here. 10 years later.
That's your what? We're mentality. She's only with her. See mommy walking 10 years.
I'm glad this is the woman that would give up food from her plate to feed you guys. She's leaving the back and get the hell out of here.
Remember, that's our family motto.
Save yourself.
Save yourself.
That's why Florida was the last one to go. Don't even put it hot food in the car. Stop it. It's not that I didn't say it, but what's that about? Why didn't you make sure to get out of the car? I said, I told her to get out. I can't help you. Before. The only thing I'm buying is envelopes.
I'll pack too.
No, I'm kidding. I'm just saying. Did I get it?
I think so. Because I didn't have any chance to get it because of your flash.
Well, you know, just saw it again. You changing? No. She's not gonna smile. I'm changing.
Okay, turn it off.
Huh?
Okay, turn it off. We're just gonna see. Yeah, she's been doing it. This is a picture of Shit Bunny. So wait till she's with her titi to shit like there's no tomorrow.
Now watch her look mobile as soon as she hears it. There she goes.